So in this session, we are going to talk about example of assignment operator. So the example of assignment operator symbols are equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiple equal to, remainder equal to, exponential equal to, and float division equal to. I will explain you one by one. That is what is the equal to means. So these all are the symbols we use for the assignment operator. Okay, and that is equal to means, let's say my x equal to 5. Okay, if I'm talking about y equal to x, so this is my y is equal to means that is my assignment. This is my assignment operator of equal to sign. Okay, so that means y equal to x means the y value will be x value, that is my x value is 5. So here the y, so the y value will be the 5. If I'll print, say, x value each, x print y value each, so it will give me the x value is 5 and y value is also my 5. Okay, as you can see, x value is 5 and y value is 5, because that is assigned the y value to the x, and x value is with my 5. So this is my equal to, this is called as an assignment operator. Okay, and next is plus equal to. This is plus equal to assignment operator. This is also called as an art and assign. This is called as an art and assign. So that is here. Right now my x equal to 5 and y also my 5. So what I'm going to do, so z plus equal to, let's say, x. So that means my second one. So that means z equal to z plus x. Okay. So in this case, z is not defined, right? If I print z, it will give me an error because z is not defined yet. All right. So in this case, so I have to do what? I have to do, let's say, x. Let's say for example z equal to here. Let's say printing z equal to 0. Okay. So in this case, it will be treated as a z equal to z plus x. So that will be z value is here 0 and 0 plus x. X value is here my 5. So it will print that z value also the 5. So the one equal to, and z value is also my 5. We treat that plus equal to means that the z equal to z plus x. Okay. So if I'll print like the same, like say z2 equal to plus equal to my, let's say, uh z. Okay. So that means that it will also the give me an error because z2 is not defined. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's say z plus equal to z. So that means that z equal to z plus z. So here z plus z means that is z equal to my 5. Here my z equal to my 5, already 5, and it again it will add the 5. It will print z, will give me the output as 10. Okay, so this is called as an add and assign operator. Okay, next is subtraction and assign. That is called minus and equal to. This is same like add and assign, but you have to subtract here. Let's say I have a z, let's say z2. Okay, so I am going to do is here. So let's say z2 equal to my 5. Let's say that equal to, let's say 2, and z2 minus equal to set. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, let's say print Z2. So here that is say Z2 is here my value is 2, right? But here the operation is like Z2 equal to Z2 minus Z. Okay, so this is the operation of this operation. So Z2 minus equal to Z means Z2 equal to Z2 minus Z. Okay, so here Z to the value is 2 and Z value is here 10. Okay, as we know that Python is a dynamic programming languages, so our variable can change the value. So here my value was 5 and here my Z value is 10. So Python is a dynamic programming language, so the variable can change. Okay, so here my Z value is 10. So here the answer will the output will be 2 minus 10. So the output will be minus 8. Run it, give me the output is minus 8. Same is like this. If I do multiple equal to say for example Z3 equal to let's say my 3. Okay, and what I'm going to do Z3 multiple equal to Z and print Z3, it will give me the output that is Z3 is my 3 and then Z, that means the Z3 into Z, that means the Z value is here, that is 10, and 3 into 10 that will give me the output that is 30. Okay, and same as like that the division, the modulus equal to is same as like that. If I print Z4 equal to let's say 4, and I'm going to do what Z4 modulus equal to let's say that is my say smallest value, that is my Z2. Okay, it is my smallest value, it's my Z2 minus 8. Okay, so if I do like say print Z4 Z4, so run this, it will give me the output minus 4 because Z4 is 4 and mod and the modulus equal to that is Z2. The so just like that, that is my 4, let's say Z4 modulus equal to Z4 modulus Z2. So Z4 value is here, that is 4 modulus Z2 is here by 8. 4 modulus minus 8, that is my that is means that is 4, that is the remainder of minus 8. Always remember that whenever we use the remainder, whenever we use the remainder sign with the assignment operator, then the with the smallest number, then it will always give you the smallest number as an output. Okay, it let's say if our divisible that is 2z2, that is if a remainder with the smallest number, that will give you the always the smallest number. Okay, so the here my smallest number, if I what I'm going to divide with the that is z4 4 here, and that is remainder with the z2, and z2 is here my here that is the output is minus 8 and z2 is minus 8, and always give you the smallest number with the z4. The z4 is the smallest number, will give you the smallest number. Okay, so for example I'm giving a let's say print, let's say I'm talking about 10 modulus 5. So here the output is my 0. Okay, so what I'm going to do print say 5 divisible of 10. Here my output will be the 5 because the smallest number, if a divisible, if my remainder is greater than the divisible number, then it always give me the smallest number. Okay, so always remember that in your mind. Okay, so next is exponential equal to let's say my z 5 z5 equal to 5 and z5 exponential equal to, let's say, here is my z, let's say, so smallest number here, let's say z, okay, we will take z. We're going to print z5. So here the output will be like say 5 sec, and then my z value is here 10. Okay, so it'll give me the power of 5 the power of 10. So if I'll print the output, give me the output as in this much, this number. Okay, and the last one is floor division equal to, just like that, let's say z6 is my 10, and if I get that z6 floor division equal to, let's say my smallest number is z. Okay, so if I print z6, so it will give me the output that is 10 divisible by the z is 10. So output will be my what? It will give me the 1, because 10 and divisible by 10, it will give me the output is 1. Okay, so this is not the remainder, but this is give it the output. Okay, so this is my example of assignment operator. Okay, next topic we're going to talk about logical operator, and or and not.